Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to unbox the Marvel Studios The Infinity Saga ZD Toys Whiplash Mark II from the Iron Man 2 movie. So yan, let's start with the box. Upper left, Marvel logo. Marvel Studios The Infinity Saga logo. ZD Toys logo upper right. You have the shot of the action figure. Whiplash Mark II na medyo naka-emboss. Tapos you have the Chinese text here, Iron Man 2 na logo, movie logo. Tapos you have the Disney seal. Ibig sabihin, yung ZD Toys or Zongdong Toys ay original, authentic. Hindi siya bootleg, hindi fake, hindi KO. And then you have the Infinite Action X logo, 1/10 scale Iron Man collections. Tapos dito naman sa side, Iron Man 2 movie logo, shot of Whiplash, and then you have the shot of Whiplash here, front and rear. Tapos ito medyo nakapa-side view yung head. You have the shot of the body, tapos yung mas dynamic na pose. And then you have the Chinese text here, QR code, barcode, Infinite Action X logo, and then the Iron Man 2 logo na meron mga tech lines na background. So yung packaging niya, very nice. Yan, magnetic dito sa side. Protected yung action figure. And then meron mga instructions dito. Nga pala, LED version pala to. So meron siyang compartment dito na pwede mong iangat, and then nandun yung charging and yung button for the LED. And then you have the clamshell here for the action figure. Wala siyang ibang accessories kundi yung kanyang electric whips or energy whips. Okay, let's proceed dito sa action figure. Maraming salamat Sir Eril Justin Baste of Laruanan for providing this action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. Yan. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng Whiplash Mark II, the price is around 1,800 pesos only. Yan. Available din si Silver Centurion, Iron Man Mark IV, Iron Man Mark III, Iron Man Mark 45, and Iron Man Mark 7. Alright, ito na si Whiplash Mark II out of the box. And man, this is massive! Almost 9 inches of armor. Grabe, look at the color, the detail. Yung color niya para siyang gunmetal gray. Tapos yung ibang parts, silver. So combination siya ng gunmetal gray. Tapos meron pang black wash na in-apply. Like you can see right here sa face. And dito sa mga armor, sa skirt niya, sa mga armor skirts, sa likod din meron din mga black wash. Tapos grabe, ito yung yung compartment ng LED para dun sa power button and dun sa charging mechanism nitong figure for the light. So press na natin yung button for the LED, and yan, grabe, ang ganda ng ilaw. Teka, zoom in lang natin Compare lang natin siya saglit with Iron Man Mark III. Wala kasi ako Mark 6 na nakalabas pero ito siya. Ganyan yung height niya. Ito yung 7 inches, ito yung 9 inches tall. Pero grabe, ang ganda. Ganda nito. So let's start dun sa sculpt, design. Very nice yung mga seam lines niya, welded. Parang welded yung mga armor plates. So that's very cool. It's a very nice touch. Dito rin sa may arc reactor. Yung arc reactor hindi naka-expose yung buong bilog na shape. Almost 1/3 lang yung naka-cover. Tapos 2/3 naka-expose na. And then iba yung glare dito sa chest versus dito sa eyes. Yung sa eyes medyo may may film. Medyo siya, frosted. Pero dito clear. Clear yung labas ng ilaw. Tapos yun nga, dito sabi ng wife ko, natutuwa nga siya dun sa mga molded or welded na mga parts or na mga lines. Tapos yung mask niya, para siyang mask ng welders. So galing nung design din ito ni Whiplash Mark II. Tapos sa Hot Toys na version, alam ko na angat to. Retractable siya. Tapos may expose yung mukha ni Ivan Vanko. Yan. According to ironmanfandom.com na wiki page, ang armor color nito ay dark raw steel. Tapos, ang power core nito ay Palladium Arc Reactor Mark II. Meron din siyang HUD system. And yung weapons niya ay tinatawag na energy whips or electrical whips. And then meron din siyang foot clamps. Yan, grabe yung pa, ang ganda. Tapos ang special features niya ay yun nga, energy whips, flight systems, motorized pulley system, fully retractable helmet or collapsible helmet, and self-destruction. Okay, start tayo sa head. Grabe yung design ng head. Look at the bolts, the joints, the mechanical detail. Dito rin sa collar. Sobrang angas ng dating nito ni Whiplash Mark II. And then the shoulders are very broad. It is very bulky. Look at the width of the body. Tapos yung mechanical detail dito sa may armpit na area. This is very nice. Tapos yung silver na parts pala, meron ding touch of copper. Meron siyang parang mas pink na areas. So para mas may level din of weathering. So yun, gustong gusto ko yung touch na yun. And then down dito in the middle of the chest, merong 4 na beams towards dito sa arc reactor. And then yung arc reactor super bright, very nice LED light. Tapos dito sa baba, sa may ribs na area, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na parang tubes or circle na parts. They have the screws, mech details, armor plating. It's very, very nice, very cool. Super sharp na armor design. Then you have the waist cut, the screws. Tapos dito sa may hip area, meron kang circular na pattern. You have the bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. Tapos ito yung line. And then daming details, 1, 2, 3 screws. Tapos may mga hydraulics pa. Ito yung arm. Grabe yung arm mo. Ang laki ng armor plate na to. Parang square shape ito. Rectangular shape na merong line sa gitna. Merong wash din. And then you have the, I think these are these guns. Hindi ko sure kung guns to eh. Yan. Pero ang ganda nung kamay. Ito, dito nakakabit yung mga electrical whips niya. So, I think for the upgrade, kung magpapa-upgrade kayo ng LED, yan, I suggest hindi ko alam kung kaya to ni Whale FX pero sa kanya ako nagpapagawa ng mga LED modifications. Yan, search Whale FX sa Facebook. Ito yung gusto kong lagyan ng LED. Ito ang kanyang energy whips. Kasi maganda yan pag umiilaw. And then you have the back plates. Grabe, sobrang angas. Ito yung compartment nga for the LED. Yan. Tapos pwede kayo mag-charge using the normal USB port or cable, normal USB cable. Tapos meron ka hydraulics. Hindi nag-work yung hydraulics pero grabe ang ganda ng detail, armor detail. Tapos you have the back skirts. Parang reminiscent tong armor na design na to sa Rengoku Astray sa red frame si Gundam. And then you have meron ba tong articulation? Wala. Ingat lang sa pag-articulate kasi minsan akala natin nag-articulate yung mga parts pero hindi pala sila nagagalaw. So just be very careful and be very mindful of that. Okay? Itong paa, grabe din yung detailing nila dito. Sobrang angas. Ganda na, very massive. So it's a very nice addition na naman sa ating Iron Man collection. Ko-customize natin to soon. Pero super cool na armor design. The sculpt's very nice. Yung texture na, yun nga, merong rough na parts, merong smooth na parts. Kasi yung rough na parts, yun yung welded na mga areas eh. In proportion sa Iron Man, this is 7 inches tall. 9 inches tall. Accessories, dalawa lang. Energy whips. Yung energy whips niya may mga blue siya na translucent. Tapos merong silver na mga coils. Tapos ito yung knees. Ito yung gusto ko na part. Na itong part na to pumapasok dun sa tube. Ayan pag naka-close siya. Ayan. Angas, diba? Panalo. Articulated din ba yung kamay? Okay, articulated din yung kamay. So, this is a very, very nice action figure. Okay, start tayo sa resume tayo sa articulation pala. Head, left and right. Medyo nahihinder lang yung movement kasi meron siyang collar, mataas na collar design. Tapos yung arms, pwede nyo rin i-extend for better movement. Tapos yung shoulder hindi nagagalaw. Arms nagagalaw pa. Meron ding movement pero onting-onti lang yung articulation. Ball joint yung kamay. Ito flexible. Tapos you have the waist movement. I think pwede yan 360. Pwede. Tapos yung ito, be very careful dito kasi meron naman siyang rotation dito sa hip na part. Yan, nagro-rotate siya. Tapos ito, pwede ba ma-pull down? Pwede rin ma-pull down, okay? Pwede ma-pull down for better movement, okay? Up, out, inward, okay? Balik na natin. Medyo mahirap lang, okay? Tapos bend sa paa, hanggang ganyan lang. Kasi nahihinder nito back skirt or back flap. Double jointed din naman siya. Double jointed. Tapos yung paa it's on a ball joint. Okay? So overall, ito rin yung kasama dun sa saan nga pala yun? Suitcase. 1:1 na suitcase. I think wala tang pinagkaiba. Walang pinagkaiba. At least meron siyang individual release. Kasi yung suitcase kasama si Mark 5, siya, nasa premium line talaga. Super premium ng price, around 15k ata. Hindi ko sure, hindi ko na matandaan. Pero nung naglabas sila ng ganito, at least individual, mas manageable yung price or mas affordable yung price. 1,800 only. Ayan, kung gusto niyo bumili sa Laruanan, pumunta kayo sa Laruanan na Facebook or Shopee page. You can see the listing and then you can add to cart. Add to cart nyo na. 1,800 only. Yan, deserve nyo to mga momster. Deserve nyo to dahil New Year na and Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. So yan, bumili tayo ng regalo para sa mga sarili natin kasi nga we worked all year and it's time to reward ourselves. Yan. Deserve natin to mga momster. So yun, customize natin to sa next video. But for now, this is a very very nice addition sa Iron Man action figure collection natin. Yun. So yun, thank you very much again to Errol Justin Baste of Laruanan. Maraming salamat for providing this action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. So yun, next na natin, to-custom na natin si Whiplash. Okay, so yun, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.